guys, welcome back to Cupcake Twirl J, and I'm so excited because look, I got the squishy package, and it's like this strawberry cake that's so rising. Then I got this little one right here. I didn't open this package, and then there's these stickers that it came with for the extra. This is the extra, and this is the extra. This is what I really wanted to get. My mom and dad actually got this for my report card because it was super good, and yeah. So yeah, they bought this a long time ago because it didn't come, but because it was like from a long time ago. It already started opening because like it's really old package, so yeah. But let's get started! Oh my gosh! First I'm going to start with the extras because they're not the greatest, but this is. So anyways, it came with these stickers, kind of fluffy, you kind of tell they're like up, like that. You kind of feel them through the package. Super cute. So I'm going to take this out. Get one. I'm gonna get this giant happy face. I'm happy, so why don't I put this on my package? Okay, I'm just making silly voices right now. I'm just gonna put this on. I do never talk like that because the happy face like that. So these stickers are so cool. And let's get to other squishy that came with. This little, I already had this one actually, but it's more rising. So yeah, really cool. Squish it too much. Okay, now the cake. Oh, it feels so good. Nothing else? Okay, this is so soft. It's not super rising, but it's really rising. So we'll just squish it all like that. Oh, it's still going. And I think it's done. So yeah, these are super squishy. The strawberry squish. So it's like almost a strawberry chocolate vanilla cake. Or you could just call it strawberry vanilla cake or strawberry chocolate cake. And the strawberries look really real. Super cool. So some rising. He's at his pillow. So cool. And what I love about it is the chocolate isn't like so white, so brown or black, whatever color that is. I think it's brown. But anyways, there's like white in it. So almost, they're not really supposed to do that, but it almost looks like the vanilla is like dripping into the chocolate. So yeah, that's super cool. And it's super flat right here. And it's scented. Yeah. Kind of, not super much, but it kind of, actually I'm not sure if this is scented. It kind of smells like Defect, and it kind of doesn't. That's super cool. Squish it all together. So yeah, super cool. Anyways, I'm Cupcake Twirl J. I only have 4 subscribers, so that's kind of bad. But anyways, if you want to be my subscriber, just press subscriber and comment down below what do you think of these squishies. Say yes or no, or yeah. So yeah, I really love this. Splat, 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 splat. So cool. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. So bye peeps. Woo! See you next time, and be a subscriber to Jake and me. But Jake doesn't really do any videos in me, but please be my subscriber because I only have 4 and I want to get more. But it's fine. Alright guys, bye! And please comment down below.